Hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. How are y'all doing? How are y'all doing? What am I doing? Anyway, I went to bed pretty early yesterday. I was in bed by 11:30 because I was so tired because I didn't get much sleep the night before. Blah 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 blah. And I was like, I'll sleep early. If I wake up early, that's even great. I ended up waking up at like noon. So I slept about 13 hours. I was that tired. And of course, because of all the bad sleep I got prior week and the week leading up to last week, it all added up. I think my body just wanted me to sleep. And no matter how bad I am at falling asleep, because my body was so tired, I just knocked right out yesterday. And since I have no commitments today, I was just like, you know what? No alarm, just sleep. I woke up feeling very well refreshed, which is a good thing. Anyway, I spent most of the day just editing my vlog. It's uploading right now, and then right now I think I'm just do a quick load of laundry and then just play video games, watch K-dramas, and that's it for today. Tomorrow, I'm so tempted to call in sick tomorrow, but there is a lot of work for me to follow up on because I took so many days off in a row because of Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year, blah blah, that a lot of stuff that needs to get done. My team will get it done, but if they didn't, it's just gonna pile up like if I call in sick tomorrow. So regardless, I think I will work tomorrow. As tempted I am to just call in sick, because me calling in sick on Monday is not a big deal because it's my office day, so it's fine. The most important thing to do on my office day is to get the schedule ready for 2 weeks later, so that I can just do at home. But because there are other stuff that needs to get set up that was supposed to be done 2 days ago, I don't know if my team got done. I don't want to bother them by calling them, pestering them, so I'll just go in. If anything, I'll finish early and leave early again. That's the best part of my office days. But yeah, nothing too crazy this week. My house is still pretty clean. As I said, I don't know how long that's gonna last because eventually I get lazy and tired and just don't keep it up. Anyway, I'm gonna start the laundry. I'm gonna say it again. Shopping between 6 p.m. and 7:30 for groceries is the best time. Nobody there. I used to go at night to avoid people, but then I felt bad because all the workers are literally not doing anything, just cleaning up, and they stare you down. Whereas at 6:37, they have one more rush probably around 8 o'clock before everyone's done dinner. They have to go buy some groceries or something. So yeah, they're minding their own business. So I like this time. The parking lot was empty. Traffic was not the best. Like, it's still a bitch to drive to the grocery store, but once you get there, it's not that bad. But yeah, no, usually that time, everyone already bought their groceries. They're just at home making dinner or eating dinner by then. I bought some coffee. I got some bread to make sandwiches. Oat milk, because I ran out of that for a while now. And then I got some proteins. I got pork, minced pork, and some beef. Also, my sleeping has been so weird since Sunday. Basically, over the weekend, my sleeping was already pretty bad because of Lunar New Year and stuff. I had to wake up early for like certain events or family, so I already didn't get enough sleep. But then I thought I fixed my sleeping when Sunday I had to sleep in and nothing was fine. But for some reason, Sunday night, I tried to sleep like around 1 a.m. early for me, but for some reason I just couldn't sleep. I think I drifted off for a bit. I woke up really fast and then I was wide awake, and then around 5 a.m. I was like, screw it, I can't sleep. I decided to give up. So I technically guess I slept for like maybe an hour, if even. I gave up because I knew Monday I had an office day. So even if I was tired at work, it'll be fine. I'm in the back. But I can tell you, by like around noon, I was crashing. But I persevered. I got through it. Came home. I was still pretty tired, but I powered through, made dinner. I'm surprised I cooked. I made dinner and all that stuff. And then grabbed a shower, and then I stalled till 9:30, got into bed. As soon as my head hit the pillow yesterday, I was out like a light. I'm kind of feeling a little tired right now, so I think I'm going to repeat the process, but not 9:30. I'll probably try sleeping at 11 tonight. I don't know what happened. It's currently 5:30 in the morning. I honestly thought my sleeping was fixed ever since Monday when I couldn't sleep and just powered through the day because I just fell asleep instantly Monday night. I thought it would be the same today because I was tired around 10. So I got into bed around 10:30. I did fall asleep, but not for long. I would wake up a few times during the night, and then eventually around 4:30, I just was up. So it might seem like I slept from 10:30 to 4:30, and that's about what, 5 hours or so maybe. But the thing is, because I was waking up and sleeping, I don't think I was sleeping. You know what I mean? You're drifting off a little bit and then you're waking up suddenly. That's what I was doing. So when I think about it, it's probably just 2 hours. I don't know what's going on. It reminds me of that time a while back where I just couldn't sleep and I just woke up at 3 or 4 a.m. and start the day. But then I start crashing around 6 or 7 p.m. I really don't know what's happening. Every time I try to sleep early, thinking because of what conspires beforehand, like me not getting enough sleep, so I'll just sleep early, I'm just wake up early and just continue sleeping early, it just won't stick. No matter how much I adjust it, it won't stick. So I'm pretty sure if I just stayed up till like 3 or 4 a.m., I'm pretty sure I would just slept through the night. But right now, because it feels like I'm taking a nap, that's what I'm doing. It feels like I'm taking a bloody nap. That's what I think it is. A nap is only, what, 2-3 hours long at most, and then you feel refreshed. That's what's happening. So, as much as I always want to change my sleeping pattern to sleeping early, my body just won't allow it anymore, no matter how much hard I try to adjust. No matter how hard I try to sleep at 10, 11 when I'm tired, my body thinks of it as a nap, so henceforth I wake up a few hours later. I only get to sleep straight through if I'm super dead tired, as I was Monday, or I sleep at 2, 3 a.m. and then I sleep all the way through. But that wasn't the case either, because Sunday when I went to bed at 2, 3 a.m., I just couldn't sleep at all. That's why I had to power through Monday. I just... Sleep has always and will be an issue for me, I think. It's the end of the week. A very long and very sleep-deprived week because I don't understand why I can't sleep. And the air has just been very dry. Like my skin is so itchy. I don't know what's going on in the air. Because today, my pants had so much static electricity and it just won't go away. It's weird. Anyway, my sleeping did improve over the last 2-3 days, so it's getting better. It's just for some reason, the beginning was just, I don't know what was happening. No matter what I did, I couldn't sleep. And I would pay for it at work because I'd be so tired. Anyway, basically I went to work today and then I did some more chores when I got home because tomorrow I actually have work. I don't have my usual day off. It's a long weekend, things are a little different, but I have Monday off instead, so I'll still probably edit the vlog tomorrow. I am off relatively early. I come home right from work, get some food, and then edit the vlog. But yeah, that's why I figured I should end the vlog now so I can get this SD card emptied so I can have my camera ready for tomorrow. But yeah, no, I came home, folded the rest of my laundry, and now I'm just chilling on my computer, doing a little bit of editing and stuff, listening to random music. I muted it because, you know, copyright issues. But I'm probably going to turn it in. I'm going to turn it in for the night because I am pretty tired. Go shower, take it easy, that kind of stuff. I don't have anything going on next week, I don't think. I do have a few errands I want to do, and since I have an extra day off, because it is a long weekend, it's that holiday kind of situation, I can actually get it done. So we'll see how it goes, and hopefully I get more sleep. But I guess for now, I'll end the week here, and I'll see you all next week.